Alright, what's up you guys? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Merchandise Monday slash Market Monday because we have something a little more unique today. So I'll be reviewing my pack for the NBA Top Shot. So it's going to be my first reactions because I have not opened up this pack yet. So this is going to be really exciting for you and me because I have no idea what's going to be in it. And also, before we get on with, the unpacking of the NFT pack, just a friendly reminder, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel. It helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. And also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. And I definitely post a lot more on Instagram in regards to when I'm posting more videos. But that's enough of all the social media talk. Let's get straight into the pack. So let's see, going on to, NBA Top Shot, you log into your account and then you buy your pack. Also, if you're more interested in buying NBA Top Shots, also definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll be definitely posting as to when they're dropping more packs. So definitely give me a follow there and, keep yourself up to date. And then also, you never know, keep yourself in the trend because some of these NFTs are going for a lot of prices. For example, recently one of the artists, I don't follow art too much, but I know I follow the news. One of the NFTs that people that made for art sold for $69 million. And honestly, I do see NFTs becoming a little more important in the near future with the whole blockchain idea becoming more relevant in today's society. So going back now to the Cool Cats pack drop number 3, which is the one I got. It was only $15 for anyone that's wondering how much the pack costs, because I'm not dropping that huge amount of money on a virtual item, at least not yet. Maybe, I'm not too sure. We'll see how things go, but let's open the pack right now. Alright, hope you guys get excited because it's about to go down. Alright, let's see. Cool. Oh, okay. Oh, we get 5. Last time I opened a pack, I got 3 things. So we're gonna go do this one by one. It's gonna be a little dramatic. So maybe I'll play some music if I can find something a little exciting. So here we go. Who we got? Ooh, Jaylen Brown. Okay, I can do that. He's solid. All right. Jaylen Brown, number 2. All right, Magic. Cole Anthony. Don't really. Oh, okay, that's a lit shot. All right, and then also if you see on the bottom here, you'll see how many. So it's out of 35,000 plus. So I got number 6,468 for that Cole Anthony one. The Jaylen Brown, I got 18,000. Now we got 3 more to go. So here we go, guys. I got. Oh, dope. Julius Randle. He's definitely he's an all-star this year for this season. And the Knicks are actually doing really well, surprisingly. Was hoping the Bulls would be in their spot, their situation right now, but but with the Bulls making all these trades for Vucevic, I'm really looking forward to the rest of the season. So let's go to the 4th one. Let's see, another, who's this? Oh, RJ Barrett, another Knicks one. I guess I got the Knicks package for the day. Alright, cool. Alright. What number is that? Alright, 11,300. Oh, cool. Limited edition. You'll see the Ellie right here. So that'll definitely go for a decent amount if I try to resell it. And then we got our last one. Common. Who is this? The Hawks? DeAndre Hunter. Okay, I heard this guy's name a couple times. Cool. Alright. And then... Oh, cool. And then when you're done opening all your packs, you'll see your progress at the bottom. And then let's click that. Alright. Cool, final challenge. Alright, so then I know I don't really have that much because there haven't been too many packs that I've been able to buy. I've only gotten 2 packs luckily. So I got the first one and then this is the second one. So really looking forward to seeing you guys another Merchandise Monday. If you guys have any thoughts on the NFTs or anything like that, especially with the NBA Top Shot, put your thoughts in the comment section below. Definitely follow me on Facebook and Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys another Merchandise Monday. But it is your boy Justin Passetti. So try to keep up. Alright, deuces.